So I'm Jeff.
And I'm Amy Dietrich, and we run Frog Hollow Farm in the Walla Walla Valley. We've been doing this since 2006. Our specialty is definitely heirloom tomatoes of about 127 different types. We grow all sorts of vegetables, from cucumbers to beans to herbs to peppers and eggplant, bitter melon, all types of things, but predominantly heirloom tomatoes.
An heirloom tomato has not been genetically modified. There's natural selection that happens in nature. Through that process, the heirloom has survived. It adapts and gets stronger naturally instead of being genetically modified in a lab. Those heirlooms have been handed down generation to generation. Organizations that have tried to control that market, that seed market, if you will, and there's only a few places where you can get heirloom seed, something that hasn't been tampered with.
Definitely our favorite thing about doing this is just sharing a tomato with someone who's actually never really tasted a vine-ripe, amazing, beautiful heirloom tomato. And really too, I think it's times like early in the morning like this and in the evening, coming out here with Jeff and in the cool, getting to like see all of our hard work starting to come to fruition as it begins to ripen and produce. And then we know there's like a ton of work that follows after that, but yeah, I don't know, it's just every year the cycle continues.
And Amy can drive, we'll be driving around town and Amy will say, oh, there's a Brandywine. Oh, that came from the farm. Oh, that came from the farm. And so it's fun for her, for us to
see the footprint.
Yeah, well, see the footprint, but I was thinking more along the lines of help other people experience this in their own little garden.
Met Market has been so good to us that, you know, you make your decisions not always based on what is in it for us or what's best for us, because this farm grows more than tomatoes. It grows a community. It grows character in the young people that work here.
Yeah.
In the classes that we teach, it grows like knowledge and inspiration that people can take this on in their own backyards. The service days for the high schools that come out here, the kids who have never like actually touched a tomato plant, they get to come out here and they're these cool teenage kids, and like when they first get here, they're like, oh yeah, this is farm, yeah. Well, then all of a sudden they're like, oh my word, that tomato's orange on the vine. And you know, within 45 minutes, they're like, this is so cool. And they're like taking tomatoes home to share with their family. Like this farm, farming in general just offers something to society that it desperately needs. And we don't want to give that up. We want to continue that and grow character while we're also growing great tasting tomatoes and produce.